In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify email address on Discord. Verifying your email is quick and it helps secure your account, makes password recovery easy, and ensures you can access all of Discord's features without interruptions. All you need is the Discord app or web version and access to the inbox of the email you used for your account. Start by opening Discord and looking to the bottom left of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon next to your username and avatar. Click that gear to open your user settings. This is where all your personal account options live. In the menu on the left, select My Account. Right here, you'll see the email address currently connected to your Discord account. If you recently linked this email, Discord automatically sends a verification message to it. There's nothing extra you need to trigger at this point. Keep this window open so you can come back and confirm when you're done. Now, switch over to your email provider in a new tab or window, or open your Mail app on your device. In your inbox, search for Discord to find the message faster. Look for the verification email. Its subject usually makes it clear that it's asking you to verify your email address. Open that message and click the button labeled Verify Email. Before clicking, make sure the message is legitimately from Discord's official domain and not a lookalike. This helps protect your account from phishing attempts. When you click Verify Email, your browser will open a confirmation page. If you're already signed in, you should see a success message right away. If you're not signed in on the web, you may be asked to log in. That's normal and part of confirming your identity. Give it a moment to finish. Head back to Discord's My Account page. Your email status should now show as verified, and any prompts asking you to verify should disappear. That's all there is to it. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the email, wait a minute and refresh your inbox. Check folders like spam, junk, or promotions, and make sure you're in the correct email account. If the message looks old or the link has expired, use the most recent verification email you received. Avoid using temporary or disposable email addresses so you don't lose access later. With your email verified, your Discord account is more secure and easier to recover if you ever forget your password. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a safer, smoother Discord experience.